Polling Station Secretary, Sognaayili, for immediate release concerning you for NPP, Belokpal Sognaayili electoral area, exposing the lies and deceit of Atta Issah on rules construction in Sognaayili constituency. Ladies and gentlemen of the media, we have brought you here this evening on the construction site of Sognaayili Road, which has been on the community has been a strong supporter of the NDC since the inception of the 1992 Republican constitutional rule. However, the NDC as a political party has taken us for granted for quite too long by neglecting to provide us the necessary development. The road on which we are standing today has been a thorn on our flesh for many years. Thank God construction is ongoing currently, which has been initiated by Honorable Issah Of Deceit. The pain to we, the residential of Sognaayili, is that Atta Issah and the NDC keep adding insult to injury. The parliamentary candidate came to our mosque on one fateful Friday to pray with us and lie to the good people of Sognaayili that the road construction that is ongoing is not about government of Ghana nor Honorable Issah Of Deceit, that it is the World Bank. If you don't sympathize or respect us, don't you fear Allah? How can you stand in a secret place and lie against your opponent just to score cheap political points? Let's make it clear without any contradiction. The project attributed to the World Bank is false. It is not sponsored by them, but rather by the government of Ghana, and the contractor is Muraja Ghana Limited. The road has started from Kwelsi Stretch and links up to this route. We will continue to expose Atta Issah to the good people of Sognaayili constituency.
That's right.
In any case, let me pause here and ask him this question. Under John Mahama regime, was the World Bank not there? So why did they not go to the World Bank for sponsorship to construct roads for people of Sognaayili? Or it is that they took us for granted? You can't deceive your seniors, brothers, and people older than you to vote for you to become parliamentary candidate and promise them motorbikes, and they voted you massively. And you turn around, gave them motor helmets and keys. We in the MPP will not sit idle while you use these same scam tactics to deceive the voters. Enough of your lies. Politics is about honesty and truthfulness, not false and deceit. Thank you. Long live MPP. Long live Sognaayili constituency.
Thank you.
Yel malata yimnan ta zabta patar zo ka zabta mamman zo yel malata yo Sognaayili vote ndaba kerna yo bala NDC ka tiya ne NDC ka vote NDC yuma ni ka Sognaayili na vote NDC ka palu ngodwa ka ko pergata hal ay kada da antiyan loro ku sa yona o ye no ku kana yo yi sabga ka kana ta pag dar en bolor na ku na yo na la akpala mangla hal enta josum gurgum pana yo Sognaayili ka yo Sognaayili dwa ka fanum sura na naw ne chaka ni sel kamza ha munyan yina enta zabti yo palongo zo mbati yo katagba nang da daman man gba yina anche nirbane ka nawo yiche ka dabba dile busham shem dabba dian dile kam batu ama ebie fishen ko dian ni jine ka ba shabe non ka palongo ma do kana tu chaka ta patie ma yina woni nya fle tete ko yina do tu somte ka palongo mere kam batu ama Atta Issah yina ti yanu woni chaka World Bank kin kana ta mana ama World Bank ni ma bra kum dian me bravo ka palongo ma ke yuna ka gomnati na ma dian ba kana ibi tan to World Bank kana yamba ba te nyamba ma ngam ba ka ta ba bora ka yina na tete zabta mamman zuo de bashiro on na palongo ma on non dan galala ama ti chaka batu a ebie batu a sakana tungba ti nyamba bahrin de Panama de biam pana palongo me bla yamba de sura Sognaayili ma ni zom na wune yina to son flesh tete ko diege ka ta ba yuwa ka ta yina tete tabne ko yina to sonte ka ta ba yina ba non paba de sura ya yuwa paba ba ye ma yina to sonte ka flesh tete legete te MP te sura ya pam na de sura
nan nan katara mandika yelgo pam man no kuliam pusham man puhla na do min o nyanga nduma na o somba na lam puhre shele na la yam puhso incoming MP Issah nduma na o ne somo do me ay yule ti soloma ti dir wahala pam ti dir solma wahala pam kana on ti che ka Issah gwamnati wa kana nti yulti ninni kan mana soloma ka na on cha baton Atta Issah ko kana ni na on che ka ne kana kana tamana soloma nan duma na on che ka ban malle naga to ni ma ora tula Sognaayili ma ora yulma kama Sognaayili ninni ka Sognaayili amma Sognaayili ma tamal hankale World Bank diku nya World Bank mala ma shaban check up no ma gwamnati won check up no ma do ruso na won song gwamnati min o nyanga ta song madam Issah ko odi tede to koma to and sandar ko koma ka tinyetem borshele na won nang mata katara
bulu ko Sognaayili ta ire corneta nta la ba sharon kupete prêter na presse conférence a no ti Sognaayili parlement so bakwe de batarangalla le te karachi wan ko kana shaka mbona le wolti bambo ngum simensi bakwe de batarangalla hona ba te sanda ka yon to pusumba jona kayene yon parlement ka department non de Bank of Ghana non de World Bank non cha ka triant to ye ke kanjir ke fani ko World Bank non del ma nta ti to bango ibo halla Atta Issah boise de funi World Bank ko MP kan na kashi World Bank ko pum piano ko ka World Bank ke man won yero mna Atta Issah zasa to za hayi sumna pa World Bank ko ka ndi sra di 8 years ka yisma MP ka bochi ka World Bank ko ra ka te mes ona bala ton bo bo shamba ka road minister a bien palma bu male nta den lambe gbangma puno wu yartamani Atta Issah zan la ka le che panlo nirwa onda ka wonte bo permettre candidat ora ya nirma non te ba moto ma ka te ba hementin mun shafe ma nta la shir kura hanti pramesma nta o majino ato no ka pa zan no yina samban nta majino pa ka no te santi so ana no bukata so te so da pat pa ma berdu Atta Issah to so ana so gumta Atta Issah bebe ne jiren ma yudi la ya ma so ka tigina palo on titi on ye franchement ne so kan ban ka World Bank non palma Ghana government non palma jiwuji bi bo Atta Issah ko min ya muraja so ru banka ta bomo Atta Issah ni ye to shama za harban non ya man ta foot ko onda han la ba shele jishe ngmanir ma ka ti pransa la jina ko ma kana ti Sognaayili non nta ti so ata min ni ya ye to shele o yer ma zo nta la ba shero ko te bo ma fu